While sketches are the basis of any design, the type of sketch created will be heavily dependent upon the type of feature they're generating. In this exercise, I'll create a model trumpet made up of 3 features created from 7 sketches. The first section I'll create will be the main pipe and bell of the trumpet. I'll enable the sweep command from the Create drop-down menu and set the type to Path plus Guide Rail, so I'll be able to create both the pipe and bell in a single feature. I first need to select the profile to sweep, so I'll zoom in on the small circular profile and select the outer ring. I'll zoom back out, switch the selection to Path, and select all the line segments stemming from the center of the ring. Finally, I'll switch to the guide rail selection and select the offset lines. To complete the sweep, I'll leave the distance at 1. Make sure the profile scaling is set to Scale and the operation is set to New Body. Then click OK. With the body done, I'll create 3 keys with 2 extrude features, each using a single sketch with multiple profiles. I'll enable the extrude command with the E hotkey and select all 3 of the lower circular profiles. I'll set the distance to 185 millimeters, switch the operation to Join, and click OK to add the key cylinders. I'll need to thin the keys at the top to give them the proper look, so I'll gesture straight up to enable the Repeat command and access the Extrude command once again. In order to line the cuts up, the sketch for the cuts was made by projecting the bottom circles onto a new plane and offsetting them inward. I'll select the 3 ring profiles and pull the drag handle down 20 millimeters. I'll make sure the operation is set to Cut and click OK to finish the keys. The final step is to create the mouthpiece. I'll use a revolve this time, so I'll enable the command and select the mouthpiece sketch profile. To make sure the revolve matches the main pipe, I'll show Sketch 7, the sweep path sketch, from the browser, and select the horizontal path as the axis. Since the mouthpiece will be using a different material, I'll set the operation to New Body and click OK to finish the feature. The body is complete, but in order to finish the trumpet, I need to apply materials to the bodies. I'll right-click on a body in the browser and select Physical Material to bring up the Physical Material dialog box. I'll expand the Metals folder and find the brass material. I'll drag the material onto the main body. Then scroll down and apply the silver material to the mouthpiece. I'll close the dialog box, right-click the trumpet component in the browser, and select Properties. Here, I can see the specific properties of the component. Since multiple materials were used, the physical material is listed as various. but the mass is easily calculated as 3,873.5 grams.